Hello, it's Haley. Will your Thanksgiving be white? Only if you buy the white meat turkey or something. No, I'm kidding. We'll talk about that soon, shortly. But first, earthquakes, 119 of them in the past 24 hours. Most recent, 1.6 in southern Alaska. Strongest today in Bolivia. I think that's how it's pronounced. To give you some context, that's where it is. 533 kilometers deep, so quite deep, which probably explains why the people who felt it did not feel it much. Blues, so like light shaking and no damage, looks like. So pretty large, 6.2. You know, in Oklahoma, that'd be destroying everything, probably. But it would have also been like 5 kilometers deep instead of 500, so a little bit of a difference. Anyway, moving on to temperatures. Well, it's cold for the highs today, up in the green areas, and then lows tonight, blue. It's going to be cold down there. Look at that. 52 for the low, and then just travel, 20 feet. Obviously, I have no idea what the scale is, and you've got 21. So, obviously, you want to be in the yellows if you're out there. Quite a stark contrast between one area and the other. I have no idea what these colors are, but they're all together on a map. Look at that. I think that might be the most colors I've ever seen in one thing. We've got avalanche warnings. Avalanche? I don't know. Winter storm warning. Let's see. High wind warning. This is a different shade. Small craft advisory. High surf advisory. There's a whole lot of stuff going on. Anyway, so it's winter and it's windy. And this is flood, I think. Yeah, it's a flash flood watch or a flood warning or a flood watch. Okay, let me see if I remember the difference. Flood's like, you see them coming. There's like lots and lots of rain. Flash flood, it's like you get a severe thunderstorm or any kind of, big rainstorm, dumping a lot of rain. And then you have, very, spur of the moment. I can't think of the word, but it's like very quick it happens. That's flash flood. I think you, kind of can tell that the flood is coming. You know in advance. This is probably the severe thunderstorm or tornado watch. Breaking news. Click here. Right, but we'll talk about that soon. And I think that's a flood thing too. 2-day rain ending 9 a.m. Is that what they're saying? Flood warning, flood advisory, lots of stuff. And then, of course, winter storm warning, winter weather advisory and winter storm warning. Yes, it is code. And a map. Let's go. Let's jump to Thanksgiving Day, right? Thursday, Turkey Day. So if you're all up in that area, you may have a white Thanksgiving. A very white Thanksgiving. All in there, you might have a white Thanksgiving. Elsewhere, apparently not. Yeah. You might have a freezing rain day before Thanksgiving. And of course, what's more important is not on this map. What is it going to be like for Black Friday? Are you going to be camping out in the freezing cold? I have no idea. Anyway, today though, freezing rain possible right next to snow. You'd prefer to have the snow of the freezing rain. Freezing rain is a biatch. I believe that's the word. You don't want that. Severe thunderstorms possible there. And stuff going on. Here's where the hail has been today. MISSI. Lots of it. 26 reports so far. Roof damage to a house. Eek. That's big hail. Oh, did I say hail? I've forgotten my own color scheme. Wind. This is severe wind. I forgot. See, you don't see it on this because there are no hail reports. But hail is blue because hail is made of water. And water is blue. And wind is like a lesser tornado, so wind is orange and tornadoes are reds, because orange is the lesser red. Anyway, that's a little history lesson in how I picked my own shades of colors. Anyway, though, slight risk up in there. 5% chance of hail, 5% chance of a tornado. So, yes, your 15% chance of severe wind is up in there. Your 5% chance of hail is there, where, this is wind, not hail. I'm just totally misspeaking today. 5% chance of a tornado. What is that? Alabama. And then 2% all up in those areas. Tomorrow, they would drop down, at least as of now, to a 5%. Well, it's going to be out along that area, 5%. And then it's not pulled up on a tab, but Thanksgiving Day and Black Friday, no severe thunderstorm chance, apparently. We've got Hurricane Kenneth hanging out. Hurricane Kenneth is now predicted to become a monster, also known as a major hurricane, which I believe is a Category 3 or higher, with speeds greater than 110, but not hitting California, apparently. And then I believe we had red yesterday, tomorrow. We had red yesterday, today, though, nothing. So that broad thing, maybe we could get this thing, right, that was kind of, I guess, coming together, is no longer coming together. So we've got, what, 8 more days, I think. I can't do math, of the hurricane season. And it's not like it, I don't know, I should look it up. Has stuff happened in December? Surely, they don't just, pay attention. The hurricanes are like, oh, sorry boys, we gotta go home. There are no more hurricanes permitted. It is off season now. Anywho, that's where Kenneth may go. So still not California. Basically all the models saying, gonna book that way. So yeah, today, you should hang out at WikiWix. WICKEDWX.com. And tomorrow, maybe hang out, and then day 3, and then after that, probably don't hang out at all, because nothing's going on. Anyway, hope you're enjoying your pre-Thanksgiving festivities or something, and take it easy.